Pisces, hi, welcome to Gold Tarot. Today I'm gonna do a reading for you guys. This is from 15 to 21st of June 2020. Yeah, guys, thank you so much for your liking, subscribing, and sharing. Thank you so much for your beautiful comments on my channel. And I'm wishing you so many blessings, happiness, abundance, prosperity, health, wealth, so many good vibes from me to you guys. And if you guys are wondering that which deck I'm using, so I'm using this Good Tarot deck, okay? And yeah. If you guys are new, please subscribe to my channel. And yeah, let's start your reading. This is for the Pisces from 15 to 21st of June 2020. For the Pisces people, 15 to 21st of June 2020. So yeah, guys, let's see what is coming for you. Whoa, the cards are like flying. The cards are flying. High Priestess, here you are, Pisces. So you are very, very present in your reading. Okay, cards are like go crazy. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah, so let's cut the deck. Yeah, guys, let's cut the deck for you. Clear message for the Pisces, please. Okay. Pisces, 15 to 21st of June. Wow, Two of Cups. So this is great. This is beautiful. Overall energy of yours. Four of Wands, Pisces, really? Six of Cups. Sun, wow. So I'm feeling that let's move on. Okay. World. Six of Swords. So these the cards which are jumping in the shuffle. Wow, beautiful. Six of Swords, Nine of Pentacles, Ace of Swords, Three of Cups. Wow. Temperance. This is the Temperance of the Tarot, which is patience. Some of you are dealing with Leo, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Taurus, and Virgo. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and yeah, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio is also here. Wow. Okay. So Pisces, I'm feeling for you that you are waiting for a very strong connection. This is definitely from the past coming back around, and you are waiting for this person for a long time. Now they are traveling towards you. Wow. This is the travel card, and this is also travel for me. This is like visa, passport, and something like that, documents. Yeah, they are preparing themselves for the travel to come towards you and to see you, to meet you, and to spend the time with you. Wow. So this is your wait's gonna over. Wow. Okay, so the Two of Cups, definitely, no doubt, very strong connection, very beautiful soulmate, powerful connection. You are feeling their energies, they are feeling your energies in their surroundings, like in your absence they can feel you. So this is that kind of connection with the Two of Cups, and both of you have true emotions for each other, true feelings, true love connection. With the Four of Wands, I'm feeling that you are dealing with your twin flame, and that's why they are missing you and you are missing them. Yeah, you are missing that good time, that great time with them. I hope you can see the cards. Yeah, and definitely the person makes you happy and you make them happy. Wow. So both of you are happy to be with each other. World, Six of Swords, and the Nine of Pentacles are telling me that you are now in a very beautiful position of the Nine of Pentacles. With the Nine of Pentacles present here, that everyone wants to be in relationship with you, and they want to be your life partner, because you are very independent, confident, very, very grounded energy, very loving energy. You are giving them care, you are giving them love, and also you are putting that all those beautiful energies towards yourself, within yourself, so that you can receive all these blessings. Wow, it's beautiful energy from your reading. Ace of Swords, Three of Cups, and the Patience. Okay, I'm feeling that definitely they're coming for you for the good times. They want to spend their good time with you with the Three of Cups energy, and they are coming for you like swiftly, very fast. And this is really the divine timing situation. This is the divine meeting, like universe also has planned this meeting. Wow, for both of you. So Pisces, wow, you're waiting for the person and they are coming back to you. What is this Two of Cups? What is this Two of Cups for the Pisces? Okay, two cards. Ace of Wands, Knight of Wands, Eight of Pentacles. Okay, so I'm feeling that Pisces, you know, in your back of in the back of your mind, you are waiting for them, but at the same time you are working on yourself, on your money, on your stability, on your workplace, whatever is this work. But you know, in the back of your mind, because you are a water sign, so you are missing them. Definitely you are missing the good times with them. That's why they are coming for you, and they are not wasting this opportunity. With the Ace of Wands, they are using this beautiful opportunity to come back to you. With this Knight of Wands energy, I'm feeling some of you are definitely dealing with the fire sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Wow. Fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and yeah, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius is also here, but this must be a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and they are really passionate for you. That's why they are coming for you, and they wanna put in the work to get you back, to get this connection back. Wow. So right now they are serious for the marriage. Wow, this is like commitment going on, the long-term partnership is going on. Okay, what is this Sun card, the good news? What is the Sun? What is the Sun? Yeah, I was clarifying the Sun card for the Pisces from 15 to 21 of June. Justice, Three of Swords, Temptation. Okay, so I'm feeling that yeah, Judgment is also here. You can see bottom of the deck we have Judgment. This is the Judgment call. So I'm feeling that things are going to be balanced for you, because the situation was not good before with the Three of Swords and the Temptation. This is the Devil card of the tarot, and yeah, both of you were feeling heartbroken because both of you are not with, like, you're not together, and but the connection was really very strong, like strong than its limit. Like it is more stronger than a balanced situation, a balanced connection, and that's why it is becoming a temptation for both of you. Like both of you can feel that strong bond with each other, and you're not with them, they are not with you, and they are also feeling left out in the cold and feeling alone, feeling like, why are, if the connection is very strong, then why are they not texting me or contacting with me? This kind of vibe I'm getting. But now the things are going to be balanced for you, and you will feel happy, you will be happy, and this is a good news for you. I'm feeling that this is the news you are waiting for, that. Okay, what is the Six of Swords for the Pisces, right in the heart of the spread? What is the Six of Swords, please? Seven of Swords, Four of Cups, Two of Swords, Ten of Pentacles, bottom of the deck. Okay, I'm feeling that Pisces, you're also moving forward, because I've told you that you're not intentionally waiting for them. You're actually busy in your work and also maintaining yourself, but at the back of your mind a little bit you are lingering to them and waiting for them, but at the same time you're moving on, you're moving forward with the Six of Swords energy, and you're not wasting your time in like sitting and waiting and sitting in a limbo position. No, this is not like that. You're moving forward because there is something which was not so good with this person, but the connection is really strong. I'm feeling that they were not telling you the whole truth, they were a little bit sneaky with the Seven of Swords energy, and some of your part they have rejected. That's why you are now really contemplating, and like in the now situation, in the current situation, you are thinking and you want to make some kind of a decision for yourself. Okay, so what is this Three of Cups for the Pisces from 15 to 21st of June. Knight of Cups, Ten of Wands, okay, Hierophant. Yeah, definitely. Okay, they can feel the connection very strong, Pisces, and they want to come forward to you because they feeling the passion of the connection. Like, this is really passionate connection between you and them, with the temptation also here. So really strong connection, very passionate, very bound. You're feeling bound to each other, like really feelings are there, passion is there. So I'm feeling that they are coming for the commitment with the Hierophant card. They are coming for that commitment which you are also wishing for, and this is the divine timing. They are coming for you very soon. What is this Patience card here? What is this patience for the Pisces? Six of Wands, Empress, Nine of Cups. Yeah, this is your wish fulfillment. This is you have wished for. Like, I have clarified the Patience card, which is the Temperance of the Tarot, and I got these three cards. Six of Wands, Empress, and Nine of Cups. So you want to be victorious. You want to be in a successful relationship with this person, and you want to get your abundance with them also, and you want to have your wish fulfillment. This was your wish, and now it's time to come true. This wish, like, this wish has to come true for you, because this is the divine timing situation. The connection is very strong, there is no doubt. Some of you are twin flame of this person, or they are the twin flame of yours, and you can see the cards, all the good cards in your reading, Pisces. So definitely no doubt that the connection is very beautiful, but there is some part of your, like, they have not tell you the whole truth a little bit. There must be a reason behind it, but they have true emotions for you and they love you a lot. So yeah, Pisces, this is I have for you. I hope this will resonate with you. If it is, you can give this video a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Also, you can share it with your friends and family if you find it helpful, and you can give me your suggestions in the comment section down below. So yeah guys, bye.